Hey, good morning guys, my name is Barack. This is my first YouTube channel, so it's weird looking at a camera. So I'm an OTR truck driver. I start from Manhattan all the way to Los Angeles, and Los Angeles back home to Manhattan. So right behind me is an enclosed car hauler. We have very expensive cars that need to get transported. Let's talk about it. So this is a Kentucky X12 car hauler. As you can see, there's a cone that we put a vehicle inside of it to get more clearance for the other ones. So the quickest way I can show you how this is loaded up is we got a vehicle up here inside the cone with the nose up. Therefore, we can put an SUV down here with the nose up that way as well. And in the middle, you can put two cars straight. Because of these wheel wells, you have to put two coupes or sedans. One there, one on top. So what do we have in here? Let's talk about it. So starting from the front is a G-Wagon. I'll show you better from the other door. Right here we got a Range Rover, and right on top of that we got an S-Class Maybach. Beautiful car. Behind the Range Rover I had a Porsche 911 Turbo, 50th anniversary, 2025. I have a video of it, but I already dropped it off. I'll show you guys right now. Behind this Maybach, we got an M3. And I got a surprise for you guys on the other side. So I'm going to give you some facts about this car. Let me know if you know about it. It's the world's fastest production car. It's electric. It's a Croatian vehicle. And it's about $1.9 million. No, what? No. 2.9, I'm sorry. This is the G-Wagon. As you can see how we strap it. I'm going to show you guys all of this. And how these gates work. And what these funny things do. And what this does. Alright. If you guys said Rimac, you were right. Check it out. And we got this charger. That thing is like 800 pounds. We usually don't take those, but they gave us an offer. We cannot refuse. So yeah. Follow along. We got a lot of cool stuff in store for you guys. Speaking about stuff, I stopped at Best Buy because I'm going to get one of those head mount pieces so you guys can see me drive. We got it. I'm looking like a complete idiot with this on my head, but you guys are at least going to get better POV shots of driving. Let's go. But first, let's get a coffee.
Hello. My bad.
Thank you for using the fast lane.
Alright guys, let's go. now we gotta head all the way to California. We are currently in Texas. As soon as we can get out of here. You see that incline right there? You gotta be very careful because I do have a low boy. I do not want it to hit. So we gotta be all the way in the left lane, make sure no one's coming, good to go. Let's look ahead of us, no one's there. Let's do it. Alrighty. Alright, looking good. Got a vehicle here. Might have to take up 2 lanes. Alrighty. Now we're on the road again. Just played back that video after I got this head mount from Best Buy, and it was a little too high. This is some adjustment. Hopefully it's better now. But let's talk about our plan. Where are we? Where we're going? Where's the stops? So currently we are in Texas. We are in I-30 making our way down to Dallas so we could take 20 to 10 all the way to Phoenix. North of Phoenix is Scottsdale. We gotta go to Scottsdale to deliver this M3. Once that's finished, we gotta go to sunny California, San Diego. I gotta deliver the Maybach, Range Rover, and that G-Wagon, all going to the same customer, one drop off. Depending how the area is, I'm gonna try to get some footage for you guys. But yeah, I'm just happy all 3 vehicles are going to one spot. Usually, we deliver in front of the house if the truck can get in there. And then I have to do 6 stops of that in California, or before, depends on where it's going. After San Diego's done, we're in talks about picking 4 more vehicles up. I'm not too sure what those 4 vehicles up for a local California job. I just know one of them is a Tesla Plaid. If that goes through, we're gonna be driving north of California to 1,000 Oaks. And that can show you guys all the damage that these fires did. Completely destroyed California. It's gonna be a lot of traffic, I bet. But yeah, 1,000 Oaks, drop those 4 off, and then we're gonna have to come back to Palm Springs to drop that Rimac off. And another problem we're having with the Rimac is, once I picked that car up from Manhattan, there was an issue with it. It's stuck in turtle mode. It's an electric vehicle. It only can go up to like 1 mile per hour, maybe half of that. I mean, that's not an issue. We're not going 100 miles per hour in the trailer. But with the low speeds, since it's electric, it also gives us very low torque. And I saw, as I showed you inside the trailer, those platforms. There's 4 of them. And where those join, it's like a little dead space, maybe like 1 inch, 2 inches. But that is enough for that torque to get stuck. Not the torque, but the car to get stuck because it doesn't have enough torque. I mean, I can put it on a downgrade ramp, so maybe gravity can help me out. But then there's the gate. That gate is giving like 4 or 5 inches of spread for me to lower the vehicle down to the ground because it's on the 2nd level. So hopefully that goes good. And it comes with a lot of stuff as well. It's coming with 8 wheels, a jack with 2 handlebars, a toolkit, as well as that huge battery that you guys saw. So we'll see how that goes. But I'm really looking forward to those 4 vehicles. More content for you guys. A little extra more money from my pocket, you know. Never hurt nobody. All right, I'll check in with you guys soon. Look at this. It's like Final Destination vibes. Not today, Satan. Not today. Alrighty guys, we got our 8 hours are done. Got to take a 30-minute break. Let's go to Pilot. This Pilot's weird because this Pilot has Moe's Southwest Grill, which I have never been to, which is going to be different. So let's see. Let's see how that's gonna taste. I also saw a Subway. So pilots usually, they always have an Arby's, a Wendy's, and a Subway. In some rare occurrences, they got McDonald's, a Taco Bell, and first time ever seeing Moe's. I think this is the only pilot that has Moe's. It's pretty fucking weird. But yeah, let's go see what's happening. Texas. I gotta clean my windshield. Oh my god, so much dust. Those open car carrier. There we go. Moe's Southwest Grill. Pilot. You also gotta check on these cars as well. Damn, man, that sun is killing me, bro. Can't see shit. Is there any empty? There's one over there. Nice. Damn, look at that crane. Before this, I used to do telecommunications tower climbing. And we used to always mess with those cranes. Hey, that's not gonna wipe well. Yeah, no way. Still in front. Let's open the light. Swerve's good. Look how dirty this is. Eesh. Alrighty. Look at all that salt. That's good. That's good. That M3, baby. Oh, gotta be careful. This is why we usually wear like sweatpants and everything. Because we're squeezing by these cars. You don't want to scratch them if you're wearing jeans. See, that's the gap I was talking about. A little 2-inch gap in between platforms. That's good. Maybach. Absolutely beautiful car. That's the fun. That's good. Look at this. This is like 800 pounds, man. If this were to go loose and hit this Maybach, or even worse, Oh my God. That Rimac. See, this came loose. This is why we check. This is why we check everything. That's good, that's good. Whoa. That's not looking good. See what I mean? This thing is coming loose. This is why we check everything. That's down. Hopefully this camera's picking up everything. Look at this car. Rimac, baby. 2.9 million. I don't know how they're paying for that. You see why we lifted it up? See how close that is? Okay, that's good, that's good. Alright, let's head back. And we got a fiberglass roof. Weight savings. See, I would go through here, but because of all the salt, if my leg hits it and it scratches it, it's not worth the risk. I'd rather walk the extra 30 steps. See if that guy ahead of me pulled out so I could pull the truck up. Somebody needs fuel, because I hate when people do that. Getting too old for this shit. Yep. No one's behind me. We're gonna pull her up. That's locked. Yeah. That would suck if that door took the pump, right? Oh yeah, look at this guy. This guy's probably like, oh, this guy's door's open. I'm surprised. Usually when I'm checking them, it's when people start coming in and start saying, hey, what do you do? Alright, so that's good. We checked that. Let's go outside. Got to figure out a way to wash all that salt from the floor. That's good. That's good. That's good. Boy is hangry. Doors are closed, side cubbies are closed. Let's go park this thing. Alright, pal. What are you getting into? Turning? Go, 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 go. Vacuum. I can't see nothing from the sun. Let's see if experience taught us anything. Oh, I'm blinded by the light. I don't know. Hopefully, it feels right. It feels right. Is it right? Oh yeah, it's right. It is right. Look at that. See, another issue that we also have is that our nose is always up front. Because if we go anymore, we're gonna hit. That is all fucked up, but it's good enough for me. So our nose is almost always out. So as you can see, it says the reserve signs that are right here. We should be by that Warner truck. You see how his tandems are all the way up? He could park right behind that reserve, like everybody else to the right. We can't do that. Let me show you why. Oh, forgot the light on. Can't be doing that. Because look, if I were to hit that, it's kind of an expensive repair. You don't want to do that. Look at that, I parked like a complete asshole. It's fine, I'm blind. Because all I'm gonna do is just eat and I'm out of here. Alright boys, first time trying Moe's. Figure out how to open it. Oh, here we go. So I got white rice, chicken double, steak double, cheese, and some corn. I'm gonna fuck this up. But how am I gonna fuck this up? Nah, they forgot the fork. That's some bullshit. I'll be back. Woo! Telling you, man, I walked a marathon. I got it, but I got two. Because for my luck, one's gonna fucking break. Alright, you guys don't understand. I gotta show you this. It's like I'm a truck driver, dude. It's like walking a marathon. See how far that is? Shit. I'm sure you guys heard I went up 3 stairs. I'm already out of breath. We good? Alright. Obviously, you're not gonna watch me eat the whole thing. But you're gonna watch me eat the first bite. Oh shit. We need Moe's everywhere. I love it. Hell yeah, dude. It was alright. Yeah, not too bad. No, I dog. Just look at that. Oh, so good. So good. But while I was eating, I remembered. Let's close this. Not letting that happen to me again. So yeah, so when I was eating, I remembered those handles on the charger, the Rimac charger. How one came out. I need a, I don't know, it doesn't sit right with me. I gotta get like a bungee or something. Probably tie it together. Because those things are heavy, man. One of those smacks the Maybach or the Rimac, your boy's in debt for life. Let me think, son. Alright, guys. So I got a little bungee. Got her tied in there. That ain't going anywhere. Oh, don't mind that. But even if it does, man, it's still wasn't gonna fall like up to here. Still not gonna be able to hit anything. This was loose. I tucked this behind, and now this is for show. Oh man, looking pretty solid to me. Yep, looks good. I just dropped the shit out of this camera from this ladder upstairs. That's why we can't have nice things. Alrighty, is that all done? Let's double check the tab. Damn, son, I've been off duty for an hour and 20 minutes from 30 minutes. It's not good. Alright, anyways. Alrighty, on the road again. Let's turn these lights on, eh? Alright, before you guys say shit, okay, I get it. It looks like a Christmas tree on the dash. It's a fucking Volvo, dude. Get off my shit. It is what it is. Oh yeah. Let me get out of here before shit gets weird. What is that? Some lot lizard action? Oh, those are two guys. Hey, it's Texas, huh? Holy shit, look at that. Are we gonna hit the bottom? Yee! By a hair, dude. Fucking A. Oh yeah. Is that gonna hit? The tail? Nope, by a hair. Alright boys, shower's ready. Alright guys, something we didn't talk about is it's an enclosed trailer. Why are all these cars dirty? Well, it's because I picked up in the East Coast, and the East Coast has so much snow, they put so much salt down. They didn't wash before they gave it to me. Alrighty. Okay, our shower is ready. Let's go take a shower. So we got shower number 3. 477. That's 1, 2, 3. 427. Oh, it is. These? Don't use them. They're on the floor. Or slippers. Be better. Just be better. Alright guys, this video is getting way too long. I'm going to do a part 2. It's going to be all about drop-offs. So if you guys are interested, definitely look at the part 2. And on the comments below, let me know what you guys want to know, what you guys want to learn. I'll answer. Give me some content, give me some ideas. Let's figure it out, alright? Good night. See you tomorrow. Adios.